Hello, liebe Leute. So, I am back with my new topic on Haben and Sein verbs in the Präteritum form. So, today in our day 18 class, we are going to learn about the past tense of Haben and Sein. Okay, so first I will be letting you know about the present forms and then the Präteritum ones. That means the past ones. So, first, let's quickly write all the personal pronouns and then we'll do the conjugation. So, let's start. First is ish, then comes do, z, s, wir, ihr, and last is z. So first I will be writing the sein form in the present tense, right? The presence form. Okay, so it's like ish, bin. Next comes du bist. Next comes sie es ist. Wir sind. Ihr seid. Next, last one is sie sind. Yes, so these were the present form. Now let's check for the haben also. So first I will be covering the present forms and then the past tense. So with ish, we have habe, ish, habe. Next comes du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. So these were the present forms. This is how you are going to conjugate in the present tense. Now let's check the past tense first of sein and then of haben. So in sein, ish, like it is changing to war. Then comes warst, then war, then waren, then wart, and the last one is waren. So this is in the Präteritum form. Next, if we talk about the haben form, so ich hatte, du hattest, sie es hatte. Next, wir hatten, ihr hattet, and last sie is hatten. So these are the conjugation. So we'll just put this in and this also. Okay. So these were the conjugations. So when I say ich war is like I was. And this haben part is changing into had part. I had. I had a car. Ich hatte ein Auto. I was I was a teacher. So ich war eine Lehrerin. Yeah, so let's check the examples now, how we are going to, frame. So first I will be, I have like a certain kind of example. So first I will be giving you single sentences and then I'll try to like frame a dialogue and then it will be helpful for you. Okay. So if I say the day was boring, the day was boring. So it will be der Tag, der Tag war langweilig. Der Tag war langweilig. Next, if I say the coffee was not good, the coffee was not good. So Kaffee, der Kaffee war nicht gut. The coffee was not good. Next is if I say the picnic was great. Yeah, the picnic was great. Das Picknick war toll. Das Picknick war toll. That means the picnic was great. If I say, okay, let's, just turn to our this Haben also. If I say, we had a car, yeah, we had a car. So wir hatten ein Auto. Yeah, so we had a car. Wir hatten ein Auto. Next, if I say we had a lot of fun, we had a lot of fun. So wir hatten viel Spaß. Wir hatten viel Spaß. If I say I had a book. I had a book, yeah. So ich hatte ein Buch. So again, if you could see, so the rule is like, people get confused that like when to put this haben and when to put this sein. So a very simple rule is haben is haben is ein accusative verb, right? So haben is a accusative verb. So you need to figure it out about the object part. So if I say wir hatten ein Auto, it's like wir is the subject and Auto is the object. Again, wir hatten viel Spaß. Ich hatte ein Buch. So we have something. So when we have something is like there we are going to put this haben. And when I say about the when I just talk about the sein part in the Präteritum, so der Tag war langweilig. So it's like how was the day? How was the coffee? How was the picnic? So there is no subject or there is no object here. We are just talking about the subject. So when we are just talking about the subject, there you need to put this sein part. And when we are talking about the subject and object both, there we have to put this haben part. Okay. Now I have one dialogue with me. So I will be, discussing that. So it will be more clear how to fix it. So let's start with the dialogue. Let's, yeah. So Anna. So Anna is saying, Hallo, hallo Marion. Wo warst du den, wo warst du den am Freitag? Wo warst du den am Freitag? And he is continuing. Hattest du Urlaub? So, hallo Marion, wo warst du den am Freitag? Hattest du Urlaub? So the meaning is, hello Marion, wo warst du denn am Freitag? So where were you exactly on Friday? Hattest du Urlaub? Did you have a vacation? So now Marion is saying, nein, ich war zu Hause. Ich war zu Hause. Meine Kinder waren krank. Meine Kinder waren krank. That means no, I was at home. My children were sick. So meine Kinder waren krank. Here you can see, here this meine Kinder is in plural form. So that is why we have put waren and not war. So let's check it out. Now Anna is saying, Wart ihr beim Arzt? Wart ihr beim Arzt? That means, were you all at the doctor? Have you visited the doctor? It's like this. So Marion is saying, so yeah, wir, wir waren beim Arzt. That means, yes, we were at the doctor. Arzt is doctor. Full stop. Und du? Hattet ihr viel Arbeit im Büro? Hattet ihr viel Arbeit im Büro? That means, yeah, wir waren beim Arzt. So like, yes, we were at the doctor. And you, hattet ihr viel Arbeit im Büro? So that means, had you all, did you have work? Did you had work in the office? Bureau is the office. Next is, so Anna is saying, 9, comma, ich hatte nicht so viel Arbeit. Nein, ich hatte nicht so viel Arbeit. Der Chef war nicht da. That means, no, ich hatte nicht so viel Arbeit. I had no work, not a lot of work. Der Chef war nicht da. So the boss was not there. So we'll just continue with this part only. Then he's continuing. Er hatte einen Termin in Rom. Er hatte einen Termin in Rome. Yeah. So this was the dialogue. So in the last, he was saying, er hatte einen Termin in Rome. He had an appointment in Rome. In Rome. Yeah. So I'll just quickly mark all the Präteritum forms. So in the first, it was warst, and this was hattest. Next, in the Marion part, it was war and waren. Next, in the Anna part, it was wart. In Marion, it was waren and hattet. Next, in Anna, it was hatte. And der Chef war, and here hatte. So if you want to describe your past experiences, so you have to put this Präteritum form. So I hope now you got what exactly Präteritum in HABEN and SEIN is and how to use it. This is the most important part, like how to use it. We can learn the table. It is very easy to learn the table, but how to use it and when to use it, in what situations you can use it. Whenever you are describing any past experiences, you can use this HABEN and SEIN as Präteritum. So I will be meeting you with another topic in our next session. So till then, be safe and keep learning German. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.